today we're doing the ice bucket challenge. I've seen a lot of other YouTubers do this, so I may as well try it myself. Okay, so basically, if you haven't seen this before, basically you need to have a bucket on a roll filled with ice and water, and then you need to basically pour it over yourself, and then you have to challenge someone else. I'm not going to do the challenge someone else bit. So basically, I just need to tip it over my head. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go!
Cold?
Yeah! Okay then. I got wetter than I expected. Okay, that was a... Okay, so... might do another video of this. Like, me challenging someone else, but I'm not sure. I don't think I will. And, yeah.
Dr. Dalek out.
Yeah. See you later, guys.